Hi, in this training session, we'll be learning about the concept of standard time in the manufacturing front. In the process, we will be covering what is time, its role in manufacturing, how to determine standard time, and finally, how to calculate it. Standard time is defined as the time required by an average skilled operator working at a normal pace to perform a specified task using a prescribed method. Now this time necessarily includes various time allowances. So standard time is basic time plus the allowances. Some of the allowances added while calculating the standard time are fatigue, contingency allowances, which is described as a small amount of allowance added to meet any expected items of works or delays. Now this could be defects and reworks, power failures, or even thread breaks, and together comprise of only 5% of the basic time. After understanding standard time, we must know that it has an important role in manufacturing. Standard time aids us in workforce planning, that is, the number of workers required to complete the process. It is also required for line balancing, which involves determining the correct number of workstations for optimum workflow. This can be done only by knowing the standard time of each workstation. It is also used for materials requirement planning, which is also known as MRP, and until and unless we do not know the time standards of each workstation, we can never plan its requirement. Wage payment is another job based on standard time, since actual performance is to be compared with the expected performance on the basis of time taken. Standard time also plays an important role in cost accounting, since work standards are required because the cost consists not just of labor costs but also right allocation of various production costs. Next, it is very critical for employee evaluation. Now this basically involves calculating and comparing between the time taken by the operator and the standard time required for an operation. And this is how we come to our next topic: how to determine standard time. We have all heard of the best way of doing it, which is by the use of a predetermined motion and time system, or simply PMTS system based software, just like ProSMV. Other ways are determination through historical data or based on experience, and another way is time study. The method of time study involves studying time taken by an operation in about 5 different cycles with the use of a stopwatch. Now, we finally move on to the part where we learn how to calculate standard time and the formula associated with it. Before this, we must know that the standard time is computed based on 3 factors: observed time, performance rating factor, and allowances. So we already know that standard time is equal to basic time plus allowances. Here we must know that basic time is the product of cycle time recorded and performance rating, and the allowances in case of sewing standards are sum of the bundle plus machine and personal allowances. So that was all about calculating standard time and all for today. If you have any doubts regarding the concepts explained on the video, you can chat with us in our chat column on the right end of the web page, and we look forward to solving your queries as soon as possible.